the great thing about this course is that it's actually built on a principle: come aside and rest for a while. And that's what the Lord Jesus did for his disciples, and basically that's what ETS wants to do. The opportunity to come aside and rest for a while, be refreshed, learn, and then get ready to go back into whatever sphere that the Lord is calling you into. And it's be good for ministers, be good for missionaries, good for church workers, or good for people in other jobs who just want to take time out to learn and then go back in refreshed. Sometimes they want to come and study theology, or they may want to come and study an ethical issue that's perplexing them. Maybe they even want to rethink mission and ministry in the 21st century, and it's not always easy to do that in their posts, so they want to come out for a while, rethink, and wonder, under supervision, what can they learn from others about this? And that helps them. They can do it for a week, a month, 3 months, more, and it's a great opportunity. ETS is in particular a very good place to study this. We're in connection with a very vibrant church that is growing, there's church planting, and we have people of many gifts who are able to mentor others in these. So it's a very good course, very flexible for those who wish to do it.
So I've been working in New Zealand for the past 8 years in university student ministry, so it was time for a break and a rest. So I've come here to ETS in Edinburgh for a 4-month sabbatical, and some things I've really personally enjoyed about the course are that the lecturers here are super accommodating. They really allow each individual student to direct the sabbatical studies course for what will really personally be helpful for them, and I can see lots of ways in which they've just been flexible, that allowing me to sit in on anything I wanted to in the life of the college that would help me to develop, and I think there's a lot of knowledge and skills that I'll be able to take back with me to New Zealand and put into practice there with uni students. I've enjoyed both the formal and informal aspects of life in the college. In terms of the formal courses, I've really enjoyed the practical theology papers here, and particularly the Christian counselling. I can see how that will be really helpful to me and people that I am ministering to. But also I've really just loved being part of the college and walking alongside, doing life with other people who are also in full-time ministry. That's something that's really, I think, unique that you don't often get to experience in life, especially being from a small country. So that's been very encouraging to me to be just sitting in courses, sitting at lunch, just spending time with others and hearing what God is doing in their lives and the ministries that they are working in here in Scotland.